Good evening friends. Today it is 15th of September 2021 and time is 7:30 PM यानी शाम के 7:30 बज रहे हैं और इस समय अब मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं अभी आपको मेरा जो पेड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उसमें आज मैंने कौन कौन से मैसेजेस पोस्ट किए थे वो मैं दिखाता हूँ। तो हम हमारे क्लाइंट्स को किस तरीके से लाइव मार्केट में सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू या एंड साइमल्टेनियसली आई विल आल्सो ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ वी हैव ट्राइड टू मेक ए प्रॉफिट इन बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल एज इन L&T. So here you can observe around 7:45 AM I posted one screenshot stating what is the closing of the Nifty. Nifty closed at 17,380. Okay. Also, I explained about what is the closing of the Larsen and Toubro, which was 1696. And if you observe my previous videos, I had already explained the various levels. My trades are generally based on the levels. So I just try to mark the resistance and support zones and I don't try to use any other indicator. Just using the candlestick patterns and levels I try to do intraday trading. Okay, and based on that also the views are shared with the clients. So Larsen and Toubro, as yesterday it tried to close around 1696, it was informed to the clients that it is expected to rise because our previous level was what, 1687 to 1695. Okay, so within this zone there was no any trade suggested, and below 1687 you can go for the short sale, that is with the bearish view, or above 1695 you can be bullish on the Larsen and Toubro stock. Okay, yes, since the closing observed was above 1695, we were bullish on the Larsen and Toubro, and hence accordingly this particular message you can observe here. This particular message was shared with the client. It is showing that Larsen and Toubro closed above 1695 on yesterday. This indicates that it is expected to rise to approach 1707 to 1711 as per the level to level trade. Any short sale possible only when sustains below 687. Yes. So this view was shared at 7:47 AM. Okay. Yeah. Thereafter, you can observe in Larsen and Toubro during the entire day, it easily tried to achieve this target of 1707 to 1711 in Larsen and Toubro. If you try to see the future lot size, it is 575. So every 10 points is equal to 5775. Yes, 750. So accordingly, we tried to book the profit in this zone. However, again it tried to sustain above 1711. So we were still bullish, and it tried to pierce the new. It tried to pierce the previous high. Okay. And today if you observe, it has tried to trade above 1722. Okay. Then another view regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, it was shared. You can observe here. If you observe, Nifty has given the breakout on the upside. So approximately 160 to 200 points up move from 17,420 may be expected. Yes. See, it was clearly mentioned at 10:59 AM. Yes, on the group that Nifty has already given the breakout. It is sustaining above 17,420. If you try to observe my previous videos, I have mentioned clearly that 1742 to 1700 280. This is a zone, so one side should get pierced, okay, and whichever gets broken and sustains above or below that particular level, then you can observe approximately 200 points move, okay. So today we observed that Nifty was at actually sustaining above this critical level of 17,420. So we were bullish on the Nifty. Accordingly, those who have sufficient margin, they could be able to directly trade into the future lots. Otherwise, nearest call is 17,400 call. Yes, 17,400, that one could be able to easily buy it. Expected target was 160 to 200. If you observe today's stop, and see, these all are intraday trades. Today's stop of Nifty is close to 17,550. Yes. So here it was mentioned that accordingly Nifty spot when above 17,420 may ask for 17,550 to 17,600. Okay. Although it is mentioned that in a week, because this is the means breakout. So breakout, after breakout, maybe in 1 or 2 days that particular move seems to be possible, but I try to give little bit bigger time frame for the clients, okay. And in fact today itself it has tried to achieve this target 17,550 in Nifty, since the lot size is 5050. So every 1 rupee is equal to 50 rupees. So every 100 points, if you catch intraday, it becomes 5,000 rupees. How much margin is required to trade future? Approximately 1,10,000. Okay, on 1,10,000, minimum 100 points is equal to 5,000 rupees. So 5%. It has tried to actually make a move of 130 points. Same is the case with call. If with bullish sentiment somebody would have tried to buy a call of 17,400, it has tried to become 2 times intraday. Okay, that is the potential of the futures and options. But it is very important to identify correctly the direction, because when you try to buy the option, you need to be more careful. Okay. Now similarly, another view was shared. I was also bullish on the Bank Nifty, because Nifty has already given the breakout, but Bank Nifty was not performing early in the morning. So one of them need to change the direction. But Nifty has already given the breakout, so it was expected that Bank Nifty can also change the direction accordingly. Although Bank Nifty was trying to underperform, we asked the clients to buy that Bank Nifty. Buy that Bank Nifty, and I was expecting around 36,900 intraday. Okay. So accordingly, call of Bank Nifty was suggested. So BNF call, Bank Nifty call of 36,600, which was asked to buy for the clients, okay, when above 212, okay, and when above 212 it is expected to rise quickly, okay, this was mentioned. So interested may keep stop loss of 184 and hold the buy position, okay. Thereafter what happened? Unfortunately, this Bank Nifty call of SL got triggered, okay. Because our risk reward ratio was very good, we were expecting around 330 as the upside target, and stop loss around 184. Our entry was around 212. So risk reward ratio was very good, so we tried to go for that trade, but unfortunately stop loss got triggered. Doesn't matter, it happens in the market. It is not like that every time you will win, but you have to manage your risk. So managing the risk is important. One of the way is keeping the stop loss, okay. So unfortunately stop loss got triggered. It doesn't matter. We once again try to check what is exactly happening in the bank nifty. Why bank nifty is not performing, and whether bank nifty will try to rise, or the view shared with the client whether it is wrong. So I once again try to analyze that. Also we should hold the trade for a, see, we SL got triggered, and hence and the bank nifty was just trading in a small range, so it was asked, just try to close that position. Stop loss has already been triggered, leave it. We will once again do the analysis. Thereafter bank nifty is expected to bounce. Okay, this was shared around 1:17 p.m. ने दोपहर के 1:17 में वापस से क्लाइंट के साथ ये शेयर किया. आप टाइम फ्रेम के साथ चेक कर सकते हैं मार्केट में वहां पे उस समय क्या क्या प्राइसेस थी बैंक निफ्टी कॉल की. ओके, so bank nifty once again it was expected that it will bounce and try to achieve the target, expected target of 36,900. Accordingly once again re-entry in the bank nifty call was suggested, and this particular chart of bank nifty was shared with the client. Yes, okay, you can observe this particular level to level trade which I keep on telling you. You can observe two lines have been marked here. These are the two lines. Okay, and this particular candle it has tried to stay above that, and bank nifty was trying to take support along this particular line. Okay, so accordingly I observed there was a breakout here, and hence I asked the clients to go for buy. Okay, and accordingly if you try to observe what happened, see, this bank nifty tried to rise, call this particular tried to rise to 249, and thereafter you can observe even 36,900, this particular target in bank nifty spot got achieved. Yes, so BNF bank nifty 36,900 spot target got achieved. Similarly, if you try to observe what happened to Nifty early in the morning, it was suggested that it is breakout and hence go for buy in the bank nifty. Try to have bullish view over the Nifty, and Nifty is expected to make a move of 160 to 200 points. So entry was suggested above 17,420. A minimum expected target was 17,550. And since intraday itself we got 17,525, so it was suggested let us book the profit because it is very close to the nearest target of 17,550. We already got 100 points in future, so let us book that profit. Okay, so this was shared with the clients. And the bank nifty call, you can observe this particular bank nifty call, it has bounced and it tried to approach 400. The buy was suggested close to 200 and it bounced to approach 400. So intraday itself it got doubled. In bank nifty, since the lot size is 25, every 100 points becomes 2,500. Yes, and accordingly we got 200 points in the bank nifty call. So on 5,000 investment we got one more time 5,000 as the return. So this is the quality of the call that I keep on sharing with the clients. Okay, although the bank nifty call stop loss got triggered initially, but again it was reanalyzed, and accordingly this chart was shared with the client, so that client also get idea what is exactly happening and why bullish call is continuously coming. Okay, so such kinds of charts are also shared during live market, and you can understand that during this live market I am also trading simultaneously. I am trying to give the live support to the client. That is the one of the better way to support the client, I think. So if you like this kind of trading, please click on the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as and when I upload any new video. Thank you very much.